this is Antian company for another apartment visit. This is the entrance door. Just on the right there is the first room with a big bed, 2 places. There is air conditioning, some community where you can put your clothes. Let's go back to the entrance door. Just on the left, one bathroom. Alright, keep going by the living room with 2 big windows. The kitchen just over here, with providing with many furnitures, big fridge, boiler, rice cooker, plates, fork, knife, glass. You can also ask some more things. Okay, this is the second room. We have also 1 bed, 2 places. Also some community to put your clothes or whatever. So this apartment gets 2 rooms and a very big relaxing place with a big giant sofa, television, and also is providing with Wi-Fi connection, air conditioning, ventilation. Very useful during the summertime, and a balcony with directly connected with the street. Very attractive street where you can eat, you can go to karaoke, you can go to dance. Our entire district, so I mean one of the most wonderful districts of Hanoi city.